Hello, my name is Karen D, and I post videos on my travels, adventures, lifestyle, and fashion. In this video is about me attending the Taste of Lincoln Park Fest and also to the Lollapalooza celebrated every year. I did go on Sunday only. It was a lot of fun. I didn't get to see much of the performers, but I spent a lot of time dancing at one of the stage where they played house music. Did you know that house music started from Chicago? Well, now you know. So enjoy and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Good morning. It is Saturday and I have been back to Chicago, or I guess I should say back home for about 5 days now, and I have a lot of things to do. Laundry, clean the house, put things away. But first I am going to the gym. Kind of excited, still a little bit tired, but excited to go back to the gym and get back to my routine. So I'll bring you along. Alright, so workout is done. I did a 45-minute class with strength, cardio, and core. That wasn't too bad. I haven't been in the gym for, I would say, a week because of my Hawaii trip. But in Hawaii, we did a lot of walking and one day of hiking. So feeling good. I am going to lay out now, get some more sun, and then maybe go to the sauna and the steam room. This is the outfit for today, and I am wearing a ribbed tank top and a layered lacy skirt, and I paired up with my favorite Crocs and jewelry from Hawaii, earrings, necklace, and the bracelets. That's the outfit of the day. I am walking to Lincoln Park Fest. That's where I'm heading today. So Lincoln Street Fest apparently is big on promoting alcohol. So we had several taste tests, as you can see. But we also had donuts, beignet, Chinese food, boba, and so much more. Everything was delicious. course, we enjoyed a live band, a cover band for ABBA, and a DJ who played EDM and house music. It was a lot of fun. So now back into town. Here we are enjoying a bottle of wine and some mojitos, and then my friends asked me to request a song from the one-man band. I forgot what I requested, but here we were joking that this was our first night of Lollapalooza, while some of our friends are at the Chicago Lollapalooza. Then we walked over to a college bar, we danced a lot, we had so much fun, and then next day is the real Lollapalooza. Oh, that was nice.
Stop moving, Michelle! You're moving!
Today is Sunday, we are going to Lollapalooza. What I'm wearing today is a white tight tank top and a jean skirts and a pair of boots from DKNY. That's OOTD for today.
Sunday morning, I walk into my room, and I
am hanging out with Dylan D today. It's his first Lollapalooza, and it's actually my first one too.
I'm so sure that I don't need you. Oh baby, just do not cry over spilled milk. So what are you doing now? Such a waste, oh a waste of time. I don't even wanna say goodbye. Baby, I just don't wanna understand. I know that ignorance is bliss, but then again it ain't over till the bad see. You have to understand that there are certain things in life that you have to let go. Sunday morning, Sunday morning, Sunday morning, Sunday morning.
I must say that I've been to a lot of festivals and events like this, but this one is probably the biggest one. They had enough food and drink vendors and hydration stations and toilet cubicles.
So baby, it's au revoir, au revoir.
I definitely stayed at the Bud Light backyard. I stayed there for a very long time. They played EDM music, house music. It was a lot of fun. I danced a lot. And now it's time to go home. If you made it to here, thank you for watching. I post a lot of videos of Chicago. I hope I motivated you to come and visit Chicago. You may hear a lot of bad things about this city, but it really is beautiful.